Tired of dealing with everyday hassles at home? These genius Amazon gadgets are here to simplify your routine, save you time, and make life feel effortlessly smooth. From smart organization to clever problem solvers, each one is designed to make your space work better for you. All the links are in the description below. Why settle for a regular coffee table when you can have a mini smart living room hub? This table keeps drinks chilled with a built-in dual-zone fridge while playing music through powerful Bluetooth speakers. The tempered glass top charges your phone wirelessly, and extra USB and Type-C ports keep all your devices powered. Sliding dividers and trays organize snacks and drinks neatly. Sleek, modern, and ultra-quiet, it turns your living room into a smart entertainment space. Tired of wrist strain from long hours at the computer? This vertical ergonomic mouse puts your hand in a natural handshake position, easing tension while you work or game. It tracks smoothly with adjustable sensitivity, so your cursor moves exactly where you want. Extra buttons let you flip through pages without reaching for the keyboard. Wireless and energy efficient, it's compact, precise, and built to keep you comfortable all day. Step into the shower and treat your feet like royalty with this rabbit-shaped silicone foot scrubber. Covered in hundreds of soft bristles and 43 strong suction cups, it cleans and massages every corner of your soles, even between your toes. The small detachable pad doubles as a back scrubber for deep cleaning. Made from durable, eco-friendly silicone, it dries fast and stays hygienic. Fun, practical, and gentle, it turns shower time into a mini spa. Staying focused doesn't have to feel like a struggle. This rotating timer makes productivity as simple as flipping a cube. Just turn it to the time you want, and it instantly starts counting down. No buttons, no setup. It comes with preset work and break intervals, so you can stay on track without thinking. You can choose sound or vibration alerts, depending on your space. It's a small tool that makes a big difference in how you work. Midnight trips to the bathroom don't need blinding lights anymore. This motion sensor toilet light gently turns on as you approach, guiding your way without waking you up fully. It fits right under the seat and glows in soft colors, with options to cycle or stay on your favorite shade. The flexible design adjusts to almost any toilet. It's simple, fun, and makes nighttime way more comfortable. Cooking multiple dishes at once usually means juggling pots and pans everywhere. This multi-cooker changes that by letting you prepare 2 meals side by side in one appliance. Each side has its own settings, so you can slow cook, bake, steam, or sauté at the same time. A smart timer syncs everything to finish together, so nothing sits getting cold. It saves space, cuts down cleanup, and makes full meals feel surprisingly simple. Bath time doesn't have to feel like a wrestling match anymore. These grooming gloves turn washing your pet into a simple, hands-on experience. Just slip them on and scrub like you're petting, while the soft silicone tips lift dirt and loose fur. One side cleans deep, the other gently massages for a calm, happy pet. They're flexible, easy to rinse, and even protect your hands from scratches and heat. Lifting heavy water bottles every time you need a drink gets old fast. This electric dispenser turns any large water jug into a simple push-button system. Just tap to dispense, and it pumps out the exact amount you need without spills or effort. You can choose different fill levels or let it run continuously for bigger containers. It's USB rechargeable, compact, and perfect for your desk, bedside, or even outdoor use. Sitting all day doesn't have to be your default anymore. This telescopic laptop stand lets you raise your screen to the perfect height in seconds, whether you're sitting or standing. Just press a button and adjust it to match your comfort. The 360-degree swivel base makes it easy to turn your screen for sharing or better angles. It's sturdy, foldable, and helps reduce neck and shoulder strain while you work. Your coffee doesn't have to wait until you reach a cafe. This portable espresso machine lets you brew rich, fresh shots anywhere, from your car to a campsite. Just add water and your favorite coffee. Press one button, and it heats and extracts automatically. With 20 bar pressure, it delivers smooth espresso with that creamy top layer you love. It's compact, rechargeable with USB-C, and ready to fuel your day wherever you go. Tired of messy cables taking over your space? This 3-in-1 wireless charging station powers your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once in one clean setup. Just place your devices on it, and they snap into position and start charging instantly. The rotating stand lets you adjust your phone for calls or videos while it charges. Fast wireless power keeps everything ready to go without the clutter. Perfect for your desk or bedside. Hot dishes don't have to ruin your table or your style. This wooden trivet set looks like a decorative tree when stored, but quickly turns into heat-resistant pads when you need them. Just place a hot pot on top, and each piece unfolds automatically using gravity. You get solid protection from heat, scratches, and stains without any setup. When you're done, it folds back neatly into a compact stand, keeping your kitchen clean and organized. Ever been stuck waiting forever for an air mattress to fill up while your plans are already waiting for you? This portable air pump turns that whole struggle into a quick, one-step job. It pushes out strong airflow to inflate or deflate everything from sleeping pads to pool floats in just moments. A high-capacity battery keeps it running long enough for multiple uses, and fast charging means it's ready again quickly. Compact and easy to carry, it slips into your bag so you're always ready for your next trip or beach day. Messy wires can make even a clean kitchen feel chaotic, but this tiny fix changes everything. These cord organizers stick onto your appliances and neatly wrap up loose cables in seconds. No more dangling cords behind your coffee maker or mixer getting in your way. The strong adhesive keeps them firmly in place, yet they're easy to remove when needed. Small, simple, and surprisingly satisfying, they instantly make your kitchen look cleaner and more organized. Dark hallways don't have to feel like a guess anymore. These wireless wall lights turn on automatically the moment you walk by, lighting your path without you touching a switch. The soft glow is bright enough to guide you, but gentle enough not to hurt your eyes at night. They stick on easily anywhere you need them and pop off magnetically when it's time to recharge. With motion sensing and a rechargeable battery, they make nighttime movement feel effortless and safe. Your sofa just got a serious upgrade with this all-in-one armrest organizer. It slides right between your cushions and instantly gives you a built-in cup holder, storage space, and a stable surface for your phone or tablet. No more losing remotes or balancing drinks awkwardly while you relax. It even includes a charging stand so your phone stays powered while you unwind. With its soft fabric finish and clever design, it turns any couch into a mini comfort station. Moving heavy furniture doesn't have to wreck your back anymore. This clever lifter tool slides under sofas, beds, or appliances and helps you raise them with minimal effort. Just place the rollers underneath and you can glide everything smoothly in any direction. The sturdy wheels handle serious weight, so even bulky items feel easy to move. Whether you're cleaning or rearranging, it turns a tough job into something quick and simple. Cleaning floors doesn't have to feel like a workout anymore. This cordless electric mop glides across your floors with dual spinning heads that scrub away dirt for you. A built-in water spray lets you tackle messes on the spot, while the LED light reveals dust hiding under furniture and in dark corners. It practically moves on its own, so you just guide it with ease. Lightweight, adjustable, and hassle-free, it makes everyday cleaning surprisingly effortless. Your doorbell should do more than just ring once and call it a day. This wireless doorbell lets you choose from dozens of chimes, so you can match the sound to your style. It has a long range, meaning you'll hear it clearly even from far corners of your home. Installation is quick and hassle-free. Just plug it in and stick the button where you need it. With adjustable volume, colorful LED alerts, and weatherproof design, it's built for everyday convenience. Flat tires never come at a good time, but this portable inflator has you covered. It quickly pumps air into your car, bike, or even a ball, getting you back on the road in minutes. Just set your desired pressure, and it automatically stops when it's done. No guesswork needed. The digital display gives accurate readings, so you always know exactly what's happening. Compact, cordless, and with a built-in light for emergencies, it's a must-have for every drive. Stop guessing your shots and start filming like a pro. This wireless selfie monitor shows exactly what your back camera sees in real time, so you always stay perfectly in frame. The bright AMOLED display stays clear even in sunlight, giving you a sharp view wherever you shoot. It snaps on magnetically in seconds and works without messy cables. With a remote control and smooth screen rotation, you get full control over every shot you create. Wrinkles don't stand a chance against this powerful steam station. It blasts out intense steam that smooths fabric fast, so you spend less time ironing and more time wearing your clothes. The stainless steel sole plate has hundreds of micro holes, spreading steam evenly for a flawless glide. A large water tank lets you handle long sessions without constant refills. With quick heating, a precision tip for tight spots, and built-in safety features, it makes ironing feel effortless. Cooking gets a whole lot smarter with this clever folding food scale. It gives you precise measurements in grams, ounces, and more, so your recipes turn out just right every time. The one-touch tear button removes the weight of bowls instantly, so you only measure what matters. It folds down into a slim, pocket-sized design, making it easy to store or take anywhere. A clear LCD display and auto shutoff keep things simple, efficient, and hassle-free for everyday use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.